So I got some bad news today, bro. Came out this morning, go to the gym, and my car won't start, you know? But there's just something I think I have to do today to see if I can get it running, back running, you know? If you don't know, I drive that fine shit right there. I hear all this about this and that, about it being gym engineering. It won't start in the morning because it's cold, 40 degrees, all of this and that, right? But if you click on the video because you saw that title, you got baited. You fell for it. Today I'm gonna be doing my spark plug and cooling packs. My car starts every single morning. I never had a day my car didn't start. So I'm doing an oil change today, spark plugs and cooling packs. Right now my car is an Audi A4, stage 2 with a crackle, and I'm at 148,000 miles. My car starts every single morning, never had a single problem. Only problem I ever had with this car was a water pump failure and timing, and I cracked my timing valve once I went to stage 2. Those are the only two problems I had with the vehicle. So people can say what they want. I personally think Audis are pretty reliable so far. Probably I get another one, to be honest with you. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you how to do spark plugs and cooling packs like a man. All right, so like I said, it is about 40 degrees right now, cold. I'm gonna take the engine cover off first. Oh no, Audi doesn't have any dipsticks. Engine cover off, put it to the side. But, so like I said, that I got from my degree from youtube.com. You buy change spark plugs and cooling packs. How confident I am on this? Well, it's 10 out of 10 because you know YouTube never did something wrong. YouTube never did nothing wrong, right? So, wait, I'm stupid. There we go. Firewall inside of my engine is white and my car is gray. I painted my car. I painted Hampton Gray from Hyundai. A lot of people say I go Nardo Gray from Audi, but like, colors want to be different, you know? And I don't think that's a problem, ever being different. So, always strive to be different. Be you. Be yourself. Why want to do everything that anyone else do? Start a trend, not follow one. I'm trying to see. How do you take these off? Okay, post-editing Trey here. These clips probably took me around 20 to 25 minutes themselves. It was like 8 clips I had to get off. It's back in there.
I get it, I know what it is now. Telling all your friends who you be around. I don't wanna know who you be.
Unboxing time, guys. Unboxing. With the cooling packs, I want the ECS performance cooling packs. So, try them out. I heard a lot of good things about them. So I'll try these out. I'll keep them in a wrap right now because it's not the turn yet. But I just want to get everything out. Old one. Well, I don't see none in the first one. Oh my god. Look at that. This one's pretty good. And this one's pretty okay too. It's okay. Okay, I just put the flashlight down there to see. There's like some dried up oil in the second cylinder, one that had all that bad stuff on it. Me personally, I don't know how to supposed to clean those out. So we're gonna put in this part, put some new cooling packs in there because I didn't see, there's none in the first, third, or fourth cylinder. And the second one is a lot of buildup on this one, but I might just take it to like a dealer or something. I haven't cleaned it out. I don't put my finger down there neither. I have no grease in there. So second one has a lot of oil on it, as I expected. Look at that.
You know what you're doing?
Yeah, I seen YouTube video.
You videotaping?
Yep. Last one. Spark plugs they gave me was Bosch. Bosch spark plugs. I'll use my hands for this. You also got the lubricant that goes on the boot. Other spark plugs. Spark plug can go in here without falling out. I don't want too far in there, you know. You want it perfectly in there. I wonder if I was opening up your mouth. I'm just different. So different, I didn't even open it.
But trust me, I'ma get you back when it get out. I can't lie, that shit hurt. Push me to the curb when you did that. I can't lie, your love was the word. Really hope you heard that. I'ma be real for a minute. Let's take it back to the start. I'ma be real for a minute. You was with me, but you never play a part. I know what it is now.
I'm gonna start back here, so on the floor, my way back. So like I did like this last time, like halfway in there, just so, like maybe like top of a quarter, so I can like put it in there, and torque it down. Just enough so I don't.
One job. What?
Oh my days. Okay. The tip isn't broken. Thank God. Oh my days, lad. Push on a little bit more. Okay. The easiest thing of them all. Put that in there, please.
I get to them, I don't wanna hear you. Yeah, you know how I feel now. You know how I feel to be ridiculed.
Job complete, baby. Took me a little over an hour, probably 45 minutes to an hour to do all 4 spark plugs and cooling packs. And do anyone have any recommendations on how to clean my second cylinder? It has a lot of oil buildup from my timing valve cracked. Why don't we run and we moving now, baby? I might gotta switch fields and become a mechanic the way I be on that hood. I think I said in the beginning of the video, if not, but the only reason I did change the spark plugs and cooling packs was because my car's at 148,000 miles. And I think I'm the 3rd or 4th owner of that car. So I don't think it was ever done, especially since the last person I had it put on 100,000 miles in a year, I think it was, the Carfax said. So I definitely don't think it was done. So I did it, and by the looks of the spark plugs, they was kind of worn. So I think I did a good thing for maintenance reasons around my miles, I guess. Just to help my car, you know, have a little bit more longevity in it. Especially like if you're over 100,000 miles. Like, do some maintenance. I know, like, people like think like, oh, I have this kind of car, it's gonna last forever, this and that. Some type of car is gonna last forever, it's reliable. And I feel like nowadays, no cars are reliable. It's kind of just basically on how much maintenance you kind of like put in your car to have that longevity, to keep your car running for long as possible. Granted, things in cars are made out of plastic. They're gonna break, especially when the car heats up and cools down a lot. That is my advice and how I kind of perceive things right now. Granted, I'm still young. Some older people may have more advice, more wisdom on the car logic kind of thing. But fuck it, baby, we out here balling. Just drove all the way to the gym after doing the spark plugs and the ignition coils, right? You see that? Dash empty. Go back down.